Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset your Zanussi washing machine if you have it. So I was looking for various guides, and the only thing that I found how to reset it is that when you're going to completely unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I found about like how you can actually reset it. So even when I just like look here and I look for reset, so I just can't even find anything here. So this is the only thing that you can try to do. And like unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes and you will see if it's going to possibly fix the issue that you have with it for you. I hope it does. So 5 to 10 minutes, unplug it and then plug it back in and it should reset for you. So have a great day and goodbye.